So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Welcome to another vlog at wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Ituturo ko naman sa inyo ngayon ang tips and tricks on getting the square of any 3-digit numbers. Okay. So first example, we have 232 square. Isa pa natin yan isa-solve. Una, maglagay tayo ng tatlong linya. Okay. Right. Tapos, hatiin natin yung given natin sa dalawang parts. Okay, so yung first part is yung ating first digit. That's 2. And yung ating second part is the second and the third digit. And that is 32. Okay. So, una natin gagawin, kunin natin yung first part at kunin natin yung kanyang square. Okay. So, lagay natin yung sagot dito sa taas. That is 4. Okay. And then next line naman, yung dito sa ating gitnang linya, okay, we're going to multiply the first part and the second part. Okay, so that's 2 times 32. Tapos, i-multiply natin siya sa constant na 2. Okay, so 2 times 32 is 64. Times 2, that's 128. Okay, and then, dito naman sa sa third line, kunin natin yung second part at kukunin natin yung square. So, that's 32 square. So, may ginawa akong separate video about getting the square of 2-digit numbers. Okay? At ilalagay ko yung link sa description below. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung technique na yon. So, get 3 square, that's 9. So, 3 times 2, 6 times 2, that's 12. Okay, and we get the square of the last digit, which is 4. Tapos, kunin natin yung final answer. Bring down 4, bring down 2. We carry 1 here, and then that will give us 10. Okay. So, para kunin natin yung final answer. Okay. So, kukunin natin yung last 2 digits naman for our final answer. So, we get 24. Okay, and then carry over 10 dito. So, magiging 138. Okay. Tapos, kunin ulit natin yung last 2 digits. So, we bring down 38. Okay. And then, carry over 1 dito sa ating first digit. And we get 5. Okay, so the answer, 232 square is equal to 53,824. Okay, so next example, we have 152 square. Okay, so, to solve this, una, maglagay tayo ng tatlong linya. Okay. And then, hatiin natin ulit yung given sa dalawang parts. So that the first part will be 1. And second part natin is 52. Okay. So, dito sa first line, kunin natin yung 1 square. That is 1. Right? And then, dito naman sa pangalawang linya natin, that's multiply natin ulit yung first and second part at to a constant, which is 2. So, 1 times 52 is 52 times 2. That is 104. Okay. And then, kunin natin dito sa last line naman, kunin natin yung square ng ating second part. So, that's 52. Okay. So, tandaan ulit natin yung ating technique. Okay. So, 52. Okay. That is 25. Okay. And then, 5 times 2, 10. Times 2, that's 20. Okay, and then square nung last digit. Okay, so that is 4. We bring down 0, carry over 2, and we get 2,704. Okay. Ngayon naman, kunin natin yung yung final answer natin. So, we get the last 2 digits. So, that's 0, 4. Okay, and then, carry over natin yung 27 dito. We get 131. Okay, and then we get the last 2 digits again. So, 31. And then, carry over natin yung 1 dito. So, we get 2. Okay, so ang sagot natin, 152 square is equivalent to 23,104. So, next example, we have 628 square. Okay, so again, paano natin yan isolve? Gawa tayo dito ng tatlong lines or tatlong linya. Okay, and then, hatiin natin yung ating given sa dalawang parts. So, first part is the first digit. Second part is our second and third digits. Okay. So, sa unang line, kunin natin yung square ng first part. So, we have 6 square is 36. Okay. And then, dito naman sa second part, or sa second line, i-multiply natin yung first and second part. So, 6 times 28 is 168 times 2, which is a constant number. Okay. And we get 336. Okay. And then, we get the square of the second part, okay, which is 28 dito sa ating given. So, gamitin natin yung technique natin. So, we get 2 square is 4. Then, 2 times 8, 16 times 2. And we get 32. Okay, and then 8 square is 64. Okay, so we get the first digit, carry over 6. So, magiging 38. Okay, ikun natin yung 8. Tapos yung 3, carry over. So, we get 784. Okay, so, kunin natin yung final answer. How do we do that? Kunin natin yung last 2 digits. Okay, nung answer dito sa third line. So, we get 84. Okay, and then, carry over yung 7 dito sa second line. Okay, so, magiging 343. Kunin natin yung last 2 digits, which is 43. Okay, and then, carry over yung 3 sa answer natin dito sa first line. And we get 39. Okay, so ang sagot natin, 628 squared is equivalent to 394,384. So I hope madami kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Please like, comment, and subscribe.